From the moment you were born, you were dropped into a river you didn't choose. Seconds, minutes, years. We measure it, sell it, waste it, chase it. We are terrified of running out of it. But for something that rules every part of our lives, we almost never ask the simplest question: where did the time come from? For us, time is obvious. The alarm that drags you out of bed, the deadline you're definitely going to start working on tomorrow, birthdays, wrinkles, and that strange feeling when you realize your childhood was somehow 10 years ago. We talk about spending time, saving time, killing time, as if time was some kind of cosmic currency. But when physicists look at the universe, time stops being a simple straight line. Einstein showed that the time is woven together with space into something called space time. Move fast enough or fall deep enough into gravity, and time itself ticks differently for you. A clock on a satellite in orbit above Earth doesn't agree with the clock on your desk. Your head ages a tiny bit faster than your feet. Time, it turns out, is not universal. It's part of the geometry of the universe. And that changes a dangerous little question from philosophy into physics. If time is part of the universe, what happened when the universe began? All the evidence we have, the way galaxies are rushing away from each other, the faint microwave glow left over in every direction, tells a single story. Our universe hasn't been here forever. It had a beginning. Around 13.8 billion years ago, everything space, matter, energy was compressed into an unimaginably dense hot state. Not an explosion in space, but the expansion of space itself. Here's the key twist. In our best theories, time isn't something outside the universe, ticking away waiting for the Big Bang to happen. Time is born with the universe. Asking what happened before the Big Bang might be like asking what's north of the North Pole. Some ideas suggest that time did not begin with a sudden first moment. Just like Earth has no edge where it abruptly ends, time may have started smoothly without a sharp beginning. As the universe expanded and cooled, time slowly became the flowing thing we experience today. But one thing is clear from what we see: there was a time. When there was no time like we know it, the universe invented change. It invented before and after. And ever since that first fraction of a second, time has been doing something very peculiar. It has been flowing in only one direction. You never see a broken cup jump back onto the table and fix itself. You never see smoke crawl back into a cigarette. And no matter how badly you want it to, you never wake up younger than yesterday. That's because time doesn't move both ways. It only goes forward. Things fall apart more easily than they come together. Hot things cool down, ice melts, room gets messy if you stop cleaning them. This isn't because the universe is cruel, it's just how it works. Time prefers change that spreads out, not change that neatly reverts itself. Your memory follows the same rule. You remember what has already happened. You can imagine tomorrow, but you can't remember it. And when you look far beyond your own life, the universe is doing the same thing. Galaxies are moving away from each other, space itself is stretching, everything is moving onward. This one-way flow didn't start recently, it began at the very beginning. The universe started in a simple, tightly packed state, and ever since then it has been opening up. Stars formed, galaxies formed, planets formed, and eventually so did you. Time moves forward because the universe has been unfolding since the day it began. You are made of atoms forged in ancient stars, shaped by 4 billion years of accidents and evolution. And you exist inside a thin silver of cosmic time where the universe is still young enough to be interesting. Every second you live is a tiny piece of that grand expansion. Every memory you carry is written by the era of time. The universe invented time so that change could happen, so that stars could live and die, so that simple matter could become complex enough to ask, why am I here? Maybe we'll never fully know why the universe decided to press play, but we do know this. Right now, in this particular corner of space time, you have a handful of years, a finite number of heartbeats, to notice that you are here, and that is already extraordinary. If you would like to keep exploring questions like this about time, reality, and our stage place in the universe, hit subscribe and let's see how far this river of time will take us.